Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states, whenever Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to undertake a journey, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to draw lots amongst his wives in order to decide which of them will accompany him during the journey. Once the name of Hazrat Aisha and Hazrat Hafsa radiyallahu anha were picked up in lots, so they both went along with him. When it was night, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam would journey with Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha at night and remain engaged in discussion with Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha. Hazrat Hafsa radiyallahu anha said to Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, wouldn't you mount my camel and I yours tonight, so that you will keep on observing and I will keep on observing what we have not already sighted? Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, why not? Then Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha rode on Hazrat Hafsa's camel and Hazrat Hafsa radiyallahu anha mounted Hazrat Aisha's camel. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam made towards Hazrat Aisha's camel, whereas Hazrat Hafsa radiyallahu anha was riding it. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam saluted her and kept walking along with her until they laid over at a place. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, not finding the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, felt emulation, and when they again alighted, she put her feet on idkhir grass and said, O Lord Jalla Jalaluhu, depute any scorpion or a snake to me that should bite me. He is your apostle, I cannot say him anything. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6248.